Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Today we're exploring exciting new projects that are paving the way for a sustainable future. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Welcome back to ReneEnergy.com. In this episode, we're exploring the breakthroughs and innovations in green hydrogen projects around the globe in 2023. As the world moves towards sustainable energy solutions, green hydrogen stands out as a promising and transformative technology. Join us as we delve into some of the most notable projects in this field. 23 green hydrogen insights and projects in the USA. St. Gabriel Green Hydrogen Plant, Louisiana. The St. Gabriel Green Hydrogen Plant in Louisiana marks a significant milestone in the U.S.'s journey towards green energy. This pioneering project, scheduled to commence operations in 2023, is set to produce 15 tons of hydrogen per day, primarily to supply the burgeoning fuel cell market. This venture, led by Plug Power Inc. and Olin Corporation under the banner of Hydrogeny, exemplifies a synergistic collaboration. Olin is tasked with the production of hydrogen and providing operational support, while Plug Power takes the helm in marketing and logistical aspects. The construction of this plant is not just an engineering feat, but also a boon for the local economy, creating 215 jobs in 2023 and expected to offer more than 25 permanent full-time positions. This plant is part of Plug's expansive national network of hydrogen plants, which stretches across New York, Tennessee, Georgia, Texas, and California. With ambitious goals, Plug Power aims to produce 500 tons per day of liquid green hydrogen by 2025, ramping up to 1,000 tons per day by 2028, setting a new benchmark in the green hydrogen industry. Sauk Valley Green Hydrogen Plant, Illinois. The Sauk Valley Green Hydrogen Plant in Illinois is a beacon of innovation and sustainability. As the state's first green hydrogen project, operated by Invenergy, this facility stands as a testament to the potential of green hydrogen in transforming the energy sector. The project harnesses power from Invenergy's adjacent solar plant and employs Ohmium International's low-carbon electrolyzer technology, showcasing the fusion of renewable energy sources with cutting-edge technology. With a production capacity of 52 tons per year and the ability to store 400 kilograms of hydrogen on site, the Sauk Valley plant is a modest yet significant step forward. The facility's PEM electrolyzer, capable of producing 6 kg of hydrogen per hour, epitomizes efficiency and sustainable energy production. Kingsland Green Hydrogen Plant, Georgia. The Kingsland Green Hydrogen Plant in Camden County, Georgia, is another landmark project undertaken by Plug Power. This facility, with a daily production capacity of 15 tons of hydrogen, represents a significant contribution to the region's green energy landscape. The hydrogen produced here is liquefied and stored, ready for transportation to meet the growing demand. This project not only contributes to the energy sector, but also stimulates the local economy by creating over 200 construction jobs. The plant's operational commencement by the end of 2023 marks a pivotal moment in the region's commitment to sustainable energy solutions. Casa Grande Green Hydrogen Plant, Arizona. In Casa Grande, Arizona, the green hydrogen plant, owned and operated by Air Products, emerges as a symbol of sustainable innovation. This facility, expected to be operational in 2023, is set to produce 10 metric tons of green hydrogen per day. The plant stands out not only for its production capacity, but also for its commitment to environmental sustainability, being powered entirely by renewable energy. This strategic approach not only ensures a reduced carbon footprint, but also aligns with the broader goals of transitioning to cleaner energy sources. The plant utilizes 2 ThyssenKrupp Nucera electrolyzers for hydrogen production and employs Air Products' proprietary technology for converting gaseous hydrogen into its liquid form. Additionally, the facility includes a terminal for efficient distribution of the product to various customer locations, further enhancing its role in the green hydrogen supply chain. Donaldsonville Green Hydrogen Project, Louisiana. The Donaldsonville Green Hydrogen Project in Louisiana is set to become North America's largest upon its completion. Managed by CF Industries, this project involves the construction of a 20 megawatts alkaline water electrolysis plant, integrated into the existing ammonia synthesis loops at the Donaldsonville manufacturing complex. The plant is designed to produce an impressive 20,000 tons of green ammonia annually. CF Industries' commitment to sustainability is evident in its approach to powering the electrolysis process, which involves allocating renewable energy purchased across its network to match 100% of the electricity required for the water separation process. This approach not only ensures a carbon-free production of hydrogen and oxygen, but also underscores the company's dedication to sustainable practices. Global Hydrogen Insights. Hydrogen Insights 2023, a collaborative effort by the Hydrogen Council and McKinsey & Company, offers a comprehensive update on the global hydrogen economy. This report highlights the current state of the global hydrogen sector, including actual hydrogen deployment, with a specific focus on North America. The report illuminates the accelerating momentum of hydrogen, with over 1,000 projects requiring $320 billion in investment announced globally. However, it also notes that investment decisions are lagging, with only 10% of investment volumes having passed the final investment decision (FID) stage. More than 1,040 projects have been announced globally, of which 795 aim to commission within 2030. These projects represent a staggering $320 billion in investments through 2030, a significant increase from the $240 billion reported in the previous publication. Interestingly, about two-thirds of these investments are directed towards supply, with a total of 38 metric tons per annum of clean hydrogen production announced through 2030. Europe and North America are leading the charge, accounting for nearly 60% of the total volumes. Currently, about 0.8 metric tons per annum of clean hydrogen supply is operational, with low-carbon hydrogen accounting for about 740 kilotons per annum, while renewable hydrogen amounts to about 60 kilotons per annum. This is equivalent to a 700 megawatts electrolysis capacity. Furthermore, a total of 3 metric tons per annum of clean hydrogen capacity has passed final investment decision, FID, including the 0.8 metric tons per annum already operational, with North America accounting for 70% of these committed volumes. More than 9 gigawatts of electrolysis capacity has passed final investment decision, FID, nearly doubling from about 5 gigawatts in the previous publication, with China accounting for 40% of the committed capacity. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of green hydrogen in 2023. These projects not only showcase technological prowess, but also reflect a collective commitment to a sustainable and decarbonized future. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated. It's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.